dressed. So I'm just gonna be right back. I just need to get dressed first. Okay, I'm back. And yeah. So let's get on to the video today. Oh yeah, as you know, I love stuffed animals. Okay, that's enough of that. Now let's get on. I'm sorry, Jocko. Whee! I don't know what to do today. Thank you for at least one person, or at least 2 people subscribing to me. I used to have 80, but what happened? Some people unsubscribed to me. It's okay though. Wow, 80 went like fan to 2. What happened to 80? 8-0. Yesterday was his birthday, so it's like 7:41 right now. I go to bed at 8:30, so I can't do this video that long. Yeah, I'll try my best. I'm thinking, what should I do today? Should I play Roblox? No. I should do a Minecraft video because Minecraft is my favorite thing in the whole entire world. I used to have this big entire world, but now it blew up sadly because my friends put me on survival and he put a ton of creepers in my world, and they thought that I got the update, but I didn't, and then all the creepers exploded in my world, and yeah. It was sad. I was sad too. But I'm gonna try to make another Minecraft video, and yeah. I stopped doing Roblox for a little while because I thought you guys were getting bored of doing Roblox all the time, and I want to do a Minecraft video. So I'm gonna try to turn on my big. Actually, I'm actually recording my biggest tablet. So I'm gonna get my red tablet, and I'll see you guys just a little later. Hey guys, I'm back. I got my red tablet. It's not fully charged, so I'm gonna charge it right now. I haven't charged this thing in a while because I need to get another charger for a bit. See, I miss this thing very much, so much. I have been on this thing a while compared to that thing to this thing. Way big difference, I'll show you. It looks so tiny now. But I love how thin it is. How do they make these things so thin? I'm gonna let that charge for a little bit, so I'm gonna pause this video, and then when I get it on, I'll unpause it. Apparently my tablet's taking forever to charge, so it's gonna take a little while. So, yeah. It's been about 4 minutes charging. I know, in 1%. And because I haven't been on it in a while, it doesn't work that good. Mirror. You can see me in the mirror. charging by itself. Look, the charger fell out. That is so awesome. Let's turn it on. Oh my gosh, yours looks so tiny.
It's a 6 inches. So 2 of these put together would be a foot.
Wait, I want to see. Look how tiny my sister's is. Here we go. So tiny, I like it. It's so cute and adorable. Tiny little Lily. Sorry, a little dog head stuck in my head. It's okay because I do chorus apparently. I'm definitely going to pause this because it's taking way too long. It's directing my video, so yeah. I said yeah. I'm gonna turn on. I guess I'm gonna end the video here until it charges really well and this gets powered off. So it stays at 78%. And I'll see you in another video when I get this thing charged.